at you. You deserve the whole cracker. That was the cutest. This one's my favorite. I will name you Joe. Hi. Today I'm really excited because I'm in Nara, Japan. And you were asking why would I come back to Japan even though I had such a hard time because of the celiacs and eating the food, blah blah blah. Well, this is why, because of this place. I absolutely love the deer here. Look at these shabby little guys. Dad, they look like little elk. They don't look like deer. They look like a miniature elk. This little kid. A little deer being pet by a little child. They're so patient. I need to go find crackers because I found the deer. Look at this. There's so many. This is so cool. This is why I wanted to go back to Japan. Pretty much just this. Japan's cool, but this makes my whole trip for me. They're so mellow. I gotta go find some crackers and come back. I'm gonna pet all of them. I only got money. Finally found the cracker guy. I got two. Look at this guy. He's giving me a stink eye from way, way away. He knew what I got. There you go. There you go. There you go. Oh, you guys are cute. Come with me. Come with me. Who wants crackers? Crackers. Great. Who else wants crackers? Hey, you're dippy. Bow. Oh, you were nippy. You were so nippy. Hi. Hi. Oh, you found the big stack. That one just took right from the hole. Oh, hi, little guy. Oh, you guys all know where the crackers are. You? For crackers, I get pets. No more. You took them all. Oh, I gotta run away. Gotta run away. They're following me. They know what's up. Hi. Hi. Hi, you. Oh my gosh, this one's so cute. You're so cute. That was excellent time. Totally worth the $2.60 I spent on crackers. So just rolling around the mud, trying to get that scent on them. Muddy elk is a happy elk. He's such a happy little deer right now, being all muddy and gross. Hey, little deer. Good bow. Oh, that was a lot of cracker. Here. Here. Oh, it's a baby. Hi. Good cracker. Mama's feeling feisty. You. Half. You. Last piece. Hi. Oh, you're so cute. That one's grinning at me. Well, that was a fantastic afternoon. I'm really glad I got to come spend all this time just hanging out with the deer, feeding them and petting them and just enjoying their company and running around the park with crackers, getting chased by deer and bitten. Gotta say bye. Bye, guys.